Why are custom cross-references difficult to set up in Word? Imagine trying to link different parts of a document in a way that updates automatically when you change the content. Sounds simple, right? But in Word, creating custom cross-references can be quite tricky. Let's explore why that is. First, Word system depends heavily on predefined elements like headings, captions, bookmarks, and numbered items. This means you need to set these up correctly before you can reference them. If you forget to tag a figure or apply the right heading style, Word won't recognize it as a valid target for a cross-reference. So, everything has to be organized in advance, which can be frustrating if you're trying to customize beyond the basics. Second, the cross-reference dialog box offers limited options. You can choose from types like headings, figures, or page numbers, and insert specific parts like labels or numbers. But it doesn't let you easily combine multiple elements into one reference or change the wording automatically. If you want a phrase that includes both a figure number and some custom text, you often have to manually edit the field codes behind the scenes. These codes are hidden and can be confusing to work with, especially if you're not familiar with how they operate. Third, keeping these references up to date can be a challenge. Word updates cross-references based on the underlying field codes, which are sensitive to changes. If you move or delete content or change numbering, the references might break or display incorrectly. To fix this, you need to manually update all fields by selecting the entire document and pressing the F9 key. Forgetting to do this can lead to outdated or incorrect references in your document. Fourth, the process of inserting cross-references isn't always straightforward. You have to go through multiple dialog boxes, select the right reference type, pick the exact item, and decide what part of it to display. Trying to combine several elements into one seamless reference makes this process even more complicated. It's easy to get lost or make mistakes along the way. To work around these issues, it's best to prepare your document carefully. Use consistent styles and captions from the start. When you need more complex references, learn how to work with field codes cautiously. Always update your fields after making changes. And if you want to link to non-standard items, consider using bookmarks or hyperlinks alongside cross-references. In short, custom cross-references are difficult because Word system relies on specific, preformatted elements and offers limited built-in options. Achieving more advanced references requires understanding how to manipulate field codes and keep your document structured properly. Mastering these steps makes creating reliable, dynamic references much easier.